Hi friends, welcome to Cook with Kanika. Today I'll be telling you how to make raw paneer at home or Indian cottage cheese. I have taken over here 1 liter of milk in a boiling pan, and along with that I have 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar and a glass of water. Instead of vinegar, you can use lime juice as well as citric acid, but I prefer to use vinegar as it gives me a paneer of good consistency and your paneer will also not get crumble. Let's boil the milk on medium high to high flame and keep on stirring in between so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Milk has come to the boil. Switch off the stove and let it cool down a bit from high to medium temperature. You can add water also to it little bit so that its temperature get lowered. It will not affect the consistency of your paneer at all. We have 3 tablespoons of vinegar. I am adding water to it. Now I'll add this mixture to the paneer. I have added water to the vinegar and then I'll mix it to the milk for better mixing with the milk. When you add vinegar, keep on stirring it slowly. At this point, stir very gently to avoid breaking the solid. If clear whey is not separating, add some more vinegar to it, but add in a very little quantity and keep on tasting the milk in between so that it doesn't get sour. Solids have now separated. Now we have to strain it in a strainer. Let's strain it. Strain the paneer in a strainer. Once it gets strained, wash the paneer slowly in fresh water to remove the flavors of vinegar. Strain all the water from it. You have to take a muslin cloth or a cheese cloth for it. I have taken a thin hanky. You can use that also to strain it. You have to remove water from it. Squeeze it a bit and remove water. I have this plastic container which is square shaped to get a best shape of paneer as we get in the market. You can use any shape of the container and one thing you should keep in mind that you have to put some holes at the bottom so that excess amount of water will come out. I have placed my washed paneer over here in this container and have done some holes also at the bottom so that excess water will come out. I'll press it gently in this container and put some weight on it. Before putting weight, I'll put another container of the same shape and press it a bit, and now I'll place weight on this and keep it for half an hour to 45 minutes to get the best shape. If you cannot find these kind of plastic containers in the market, then you can use cheese molds that are easily available in the market. And to make it less complicated, you can use this squeezed paneer. You can place it in between the 2 plates and place a heavy weight on it. That will also give you a nice shape and paneer too. After 45 minutes, I have removed this paneer. It has taken its square shape. Let's see how it is made. It looks nice. Let's remove it on a plate. Our raw paneer is ready. You can cut it like this or any shape you want into cubes. You can see over here paneer cubes are not at all crumbly. They are very soft in texture. You can use in any of the curry you want to as per your liking. Please do like the video and subscribe to Cook with Kanika. Thanks for watching this video.